Arts Workfly.
Okay guys, so this painting technique is called dabbing. It is using a dry paintbrush to create texture by stamping the paper. When you're stamping the paper, the bristle of the brush should actually spread out depending on the texture that you want. So I'm going to show you one way in which you can use the dabbing technique. So what I'm doing, I'm basically creating a tree. The dabbing technique is going to be used to create the leaves. So I'm starting with my dark colors first, then I work my way up to the lighter colors. Bear in mind, this is just an example. It's not going to be perfect right now. And that is it guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.